While there are a variety of health plan options to choose from, the most common plan types are an HMO, PPO, HDHP, and EPO. Now, an HMO is a health maintenance organization. With an HMO plan, you have to stay within the provider network when seeking care, and you're going to need a referral when you need to see a specialist. Now, with a PPO plan, also known as a preferred provider organization, you get more flexibility to see specialists and doctors outside of your network, but it often comes at a higher monthly premium, so you're going to end up paying a little more. Now, if you're young and healthy and hardly ever go see the doctor, maybe an HDHP plan or High Deductible Health Plan may be a good fit. Now, the monthly premium is lower, but the deductible is higher. So you're going to be paying a little less each month, but if you do need care, you're going to be paying more out of pocket before the health insurance company starts to pay. Now, an EPO plan, or exclusive provider organization, is a kind of a hybrid of an HMO and PPO plan. You can only use the doctors and hospitals covered in the network, but you don't need a referral to see a specialist. However, anything out of network will not be covered. Now, if you have any questions on which plan is right for you, give us a call or visit our website to learn more.